Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make some chicken stew slash chicken soup. Without further ado, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Voici les ingrédients. Huile d'olive, olive oil, tomato paste, de la tomate, fresh tomatoes, garlic, de l'ail, some onion, de l'oignon, some fennel seeds, grain de fenouil, some seasoning, vegetable seasonings, carrot, celery that I mix, black pepper, adobo seasoning, habanero, bay leaves, and the chicken. I'm using hard chicken, du poulet dur. Vous pouvez utiliser les assaisonnements de votre choix. Here I'm going to clean the chicken. I'm using lemon to clean the chicken. J'utilise du citron pour bien nettoyer le poulet. Je vais commencer ma cuisson. Je mets un peu d'huile et à cela j'ajoute de l'oignon. I'm using a little bit of olive oil and adding onion to it. While that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting my chicken that's waiting for me. I let the chicken wait for about 3 minutes. We went ahead and cut our chicken into pieces, washed it, and we're going to season it right now. Use any seasoning of your choice. I'm using garlic powder, black pepper, some mixed seasoning or seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. J'utilise de l'ail en poudre, adobo. Utilisez n'importe quel assaisonnement de votre choix. I add a little bit of chicken bouillon. Just to the chicken. And I let the chicken sit for about 5 minutes. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start blending my fresh seasonings. That's my garlic and onion that I'm going to blend. Là, je suis en train de mixer de l'ail et de l'oignon. Fennel seed. And I'm gonna add some onion to that. no hon kudo e sabule yem le telefono. We're now gonna go ahead and blend our tomatoes. Right here I'm adding my garlic and onion blend to the onion that I had with the oil earlier that I was cooking. I let that cook for about 2-3 minutes and I'm adding my tomato paste to it. Je fais cuire pour à peu près 2-3 minutes et j'ajoute de la tomate. I don't want to use too much oil. So I have to keep on stirring it till it's well done for about 2-3 minutes, and after that I add the tomato, the fresh tomato. Je fais cuire pour à peu près 2-3 minutes et j'ajoute de la tomate fraîche. Je fais cuire cela pour 10-15 minutes. J'ajoute mes assaisonnements, fennel seed and onion blend that I added to the tomato mixture. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking my chicken. I'll let it simmer. Like I said, I added a little bit of chicken bouillon to the chicken and added some seasonings and let it sit for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna cook the chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes. And my tomato mixture is cooking. That's a little bit of baking soda that helps the tomato taste well. In case you taste the tomato and it's a little sour, add a little bit, about half teaspoon of baking soda, and that just changed the taste of the tomato. It tastes really good. To taste the tomato, you don't taste the sourness or bitterness of tomatoes. The baking soda does that work. De la bicarbonate, si vous achetez un peu de bicarbonate à la sauce tomate, le goût est très bon. I let that cook about 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm getting my vegetable mix to it. That vegetable mix has carrot. That's why it gives it the orange color. Carrot, celery. It has chicken. I'm gonna make that and in another video and show you how to make it. Instead of using chicken bouillon, sometimes I use this seasoning mixture, which tastes really good. When you use it, you don't need like any other food, something that make your food taste good. This does it for me. Sometimes I use chicken bouillon as well. Quand j'utilise l'assaisonnement des légumes que je venais de vous montrer, je n'utilise plus du chicken bouillon. Là, j'ai acheté un peu d'eau. Je mets maintenant mes poulets. Added a little bit of water to the tomato mixture. Now I'm adding my chicken to it. You can thicken the soup a little bit using maybe cornstarch. I use gari, which is made out of cassava, to thicken my sauce. Now I'm adding some onion. After I let my soup cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, I'm adding my onion. J'ajoute de l'oignon. Mixed pepper. Habanero pepper. Actually, that's jalapeno. I have the habanero coming up soon. My soup is cooking nice, looking good. It's not soupy. It's kind of stew, but at the same time you can have it with whatever you want. It's a soup. I chose to add salt at last because I was using some seasonings that already have salt, so I don't want to add salt earlier. I chose to add the salt later. To balance everything out. And I added my habanero pepper. Some seasonings like the chicken adobo have salt, so it's better I wait till I taste my soup, and when I notice I need more salt, then that's when I add it. So you can see it's nice consistency. And soup is ready. You can have that with rice, you can have it with mashed potatoes, you can have it with akume la pâte, with fufu. Vous pouvez avoir ça, prendre ça avec du riz. There I have my bay leaves. That makes the food taste really good. At last, I decided to add the alas as well to keep the taste and the flavor of it fresh. Like I was saying, you can have the soup with rice, fufu, akume, la pâte. Vous pouvez prendre ça avec du riz, mashed potatoes, I'm having mine with rice right there, and it's really good. I can't even talk as I was eating. Let me tell you, this thing is really good. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. I'll see you again next time. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Let's be a big family and let's do great things. Thank you very much. Bye. Love you.